Prisms are really cool because if you like that kaleidoscope effect, along with light refraction, light manipulation, Cal Warren photo here. And I'm smiling because I know it's been about 3 years since my last upload, but I'm back now. I'm no longer in San Diego, California, but I'm actually here now in West Texas. So do you guys know what this is? It's obviously a prism, but have you guys shot with one of these? Have you ever thought about shooting photos with one of these? I learned this from renowned commercial and fashion photographer Lyndsey Aspen. And if you like the idea of light refraction, light manipulation, double exposure, all of those cool effects in camera, this is the tool for you. If you want a cool aesthetic, but you don't want too much light refraction, then put your lens all the way in. Okay, and then adjust accordingly. As you can see, I went the DIY route with gaffer's tape. And I believe the dimensions for these are 6 by 9 inches. Prisms, what do you guys think about it? Have you shot it? What do you think? Do you like more of the natural look? Comment below. I'd like to know your thoughts. But as far as now, I'll go ahead and link some of my photos that I've used prisms with, and let me know what you like. All right. And before I do, thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell for more notifications. I appreciate it. Cat Warren Photography, out.